Hey you,
Yes.
are you going to take prelims exam 2022?
Yeah, I'm going to appear.
How is your preparation going on?
It's very well.
Have you done your standard textbooks?
Yeah, almost all of them.
Have you covered current affairs?
Yes, it's going on.
Did you revise all that you have studied?
Yeah, multiple times.
Did you enroll for All India mock test?
It was at this moment that he knew.
Sir, actually, I came across that through the Rouse IAS portal only. And this was when I was giving the All India open mock prelims tests for Rouse IAS. So what I did most prominently was the test series of Rouse IAS, which I think is a really good initiative. And the questions were very much similar to the actual UPSC prelims question paper. So I think both the test series and current affairs magazines really helped me a lot, particularly in the prelims preparation.